Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 slow boot times using different options. Chapter 1. Fix slow Windows 11 by disabling the Linux Subsystem. To start, open the Start menu and search for the word Control. In the results, click on Control Panel. Now you are going to click on Uninstall a program. In this new window, click Turn Windows Features on or off. You are going to locate the Windows Subsystem for Linux line. Once you find it, uncheck its box. Now you are going to click OK and wait for this process to complete. You are going to click on the Restart Now button so that all the changes are applied and Windows 11 starts faster. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. Fix slow Windows 11 by disabling startup apps. You are going to click on the Start menu and then you will click on Settings. Now you must click on the Apps section. At the bottom, click Startup. The next walk will be to disable the switches of the applications that we do not want to start with Windows 11. Chapter 3. Fix slow Windows 11 by turning off Fast Startup. In the Start search engine, enter the word Control. Click on Control Panel. There, click on Hardware and Sound and then click on Power Options. In this new window, you will click on Choose what the power buttons on the side, then click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Disable the Turn on Fast Startup option there. Apply the changes by clicking the Save Changes button. Chapter 4. Fix slow Windows 11 by turning on hibernation. You are going to click on the Start menu, then enter the word CMD. You must click on Run as administrator in the console. In the console, you are going to execute the command on the screen to activate hibernation. After this, look for the word Control and click on the Control Panel. There, click on Hardware and Sound and then click on Power Options. In this new window, you will click on Choose what the power buttons do on the side, then click Change currently unavailable settings. Activate the Hibernate option. Apply the changes so that everything works as it should. So that hibernation has been correctly enabled, you are going to click on the Shutdown button, and this option will be available there. Chapter 5. Fix slow Windows 11 by disabling the lock screen. To get started, click the Start menu and then click Settings. There you will go to the personalization section and then you will click on lock screen. Here you're just turning off the show the lock screen background picture on the sign-in screen switch. Chapter 6. Fix slow Windows 11 by editing system startup. Click on the Start menu, search for the word msconfig. You are going to click on System Configuration. Go to the Boot tab. In the field called Timeout, assign a value between 1 and 15. Apply the changes and you can restart Windows now or later. Chapter 7. Fix slow Windows 11 by running a clean boot. Click on the Start menu, search for the word msconfig. You are going to click on System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. There you will activate the Hide All Microsoft Services box. Then you will click on the Disable All button. By applying the changes, you can reboot the system or wait for the next login. Chapter 8. Fix slow Windows 11 by repairing Windows startup. To achieve this, you are going to click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. There you will click on Recovery located in the System section. After this, you will click on Restart Now to access the advanced start of Windows 11. In these options, you will click on Troubleshoot. Then you will click on Advanced Options. Finally, click on Startup Repair. When you click there, the computer will be diagnosed. Wait for it to finish. With this result, you are going to click on Advanced Options and then you will click on Continue so that Windows 11 is restarted. Chapter 9. Fix slow Windows 11 by adjusting virtual memory. You are going to click on the Start menu, look for the word Appearance. In the results, you will click on Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to the Advanced tab, click on the Change button located in the virtual memory section. This allows you to make the adjustment. You will now uncheck the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives checkbox. You will click OK to confirm the changes. As you can see, it is necessary to reboot the system for this change to take effect. Restart Windows 11. Chapter 10. Fix slow Windows 11 by resetting the PC. Click on the menu Start and then click Settings. There you will click on Recovery. There you will click on Reset PC. You will select whether or not to leave the files. Then it defines the way to install Windows. You are going to wait for the process to load and then click on Reset. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.